Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. I am so glad you joined me. Hello, everyone. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, kings and queens. My name is Joyce McTeer, and I am the owner and operator of LaJoy Truck Creation Designs. I'm coming to y'all today really quick just to show you what is going to be next. The next thing that I'm going to be working on. It is going to be these beads, glass beads right here. We will be making and creating something using these beads, ladies and gentlemen. Okay. So I just figured that I would pop on here really quick just to let y'all know what is coming next. And this is going to be a how to make DIY project, okay? So I wanted to come to y'all really quick to show y'all what is next to come. So please make sure that you give this video a thumbs up, like, and share. And if this is your very first time coming to this platform, please subscribe by using the subscribe and then hit the bell on the side, the all bell button on the side, so that when I upload more videos, because there will be more, you will definitely be notified. I want to thank y'all for watching. Have a wonderful and awesome day. And until the next one, peace and blessings. See ya.